Hey everybody, thank you for checking out our video. Today we have a 2014 Volkswagen CC. It's an executive with 61,000 original miles on it. Now there is some blemishes. We got a little bit of light scratches here on the hood. Do a walk around video. Overall, it's a really clean car. Interior is like brand new. So the executive model 2.0 turbo comes with, I see here, a little bit of a scratch there on the rear bumper cover. But the executive package, so it's pretty fully loaded. You got nav, backup camera, panoramic sunroof, heated seats and stuff. So it's definitely for 14. A really nice car. As you can see, inside is like new. Love the two-tone seats, big old panel roof. It's push button start. You can see the inside is very clean. Really well kept car. It has 61,672 miles. And if this is something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout, 228-438-2056. You could call us or text us. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have any work repair needs that you have to get done on an Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, or other foreign or domestic luxury vehicle, definitely give us a holler. Thanks for checking out the video.